How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update for British pound versus US dollar. As we can see, things took a How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update for British pound versus the US dollar. As you can see, things took a quick turnaround for British pound. You can see it took out the 20-day low, the 40-day low, and returned back into the 60-day old low, and now quickly repriced it higher. You can see it looks like a classic ICT breaker setup here, bullish breaker. Price comes down, takes out sell side, and quickly runs back to buy side. So any retracement back down into this range here probably is going to be seen as a new opportunity for buying. So if you get a down close candle on this new trending market going up, that is just the commercials probably repositioning themselves to go long. Now, we can also see the inverse is happening to DXY. A lot of things have been going on globally and economically. It's also important to pay attention to what's going on. We can see the 20-day high is taken, 40-day high is taken, 60-day high is taken. So all buy-side liquidity has been taken from March. Now we can see this quick repricing back to the downside. So we ran up, take out buy-side, now we're running back down, taking out sell-side. So any retracement back into this range probably could be seen as a new selling opportunity. The 2-year yield as well. So I just have to touch on this as well because this is very important. The bond yields essentially either support or take away from a currency. So if you look at the 2-year bond yield, we had the biggest drop since 07, 08 recession in the United States. This is very impactful. When we see this happen, dollar most likely is going to follow it. If you look at the 10-year as well, huge drops as well, 30-year as well, another huge drop as well. So that's very impactful. So if we see that happening for the bond yields, that means dollar index is following. And if dollar index is dropping, that means anything that's a risk asset or anything that's inverse to dollar currency is going to be going up. So gold's going up, Bitcoin, ETH, stocks are going up, and even EU, GU, AU, EU are all going to be bullish. So we can see now price action is most likely going to be drawing for swing high. So this swing high here could be a target eventually. So I'll mark this out. This swing high here, and then like I said, all these relatively open float buy side liquidities here for the rest of the month can be targeted. We are almost halfway into the month, so do expect probably a pullback and then price dynamically running higher. Hopefully this was insightful. Peace.